Sit down. Will you go to the hospital?
Dude, hernia operations cost like
A lot, probably.
All right. Yes. From home to the hospital in under 7 minutes. We did it.
Yes, the hard part is truly over.
No, but come on. We're off to a great start, aren't we? And I'm Dr. Ross Geller.
Ross, please, this is a hospital, okay? That actually means something here. Kissy, can we please go in?
You know, when I had to take Rachel to the hospital, the doctor thought I was the father. God,
In English vocabulary, we will learn the word hospital. It means an institution in which sick or injured persons are given medical or surgical treatment. Also means a similar establishment for the care of animals. Pay attention to the pronunciation. The first one is the word represented using the International Phonetic Alphabet. To pronounce hospital, have in mind that the size of the syllable indicates where the accent or stress is. In this case, the accent is in the first syllable, corresponding to hos. Below are other ways to pronounce it. Now, let's see how hospital is used in real life.
Not this hospital. I'm going to sue you. And my husband, he is a lawyer.
Your page said come to the hospital. What? What was it? What happened?
A hospital or a big box under the stairs?
Because usually, well, he's at the children's hospital.
Yeah.
A doctor at this hospital?
damn it, woman, we're losing precious time.
Dr. Drake Ramore and I work at the same hospital. Wouldn't I come over to say hi to him?
So, thanks so much for bringing her to the hospital.
Drive her to the hospital in case she goes into labor. And...
John Wheeler from General Hospital.
Well, I will go to the hospital tomorrow. It'll still be broken then.
Take the test at accent101.com to find out si sabes inglés o hablas inglés.